In 1493, on his second voyage to the Americas, Christopher Columbus arrived in Puerto Rico. As the name implies, this rich port proved to be a strategic trade hub between Europe and the New World. The 400-year-old castles and battlements are a constant reminder of Puerto Rico's rich history. Old San Juan was built on a rocky island with no source of fresh water. Without available bodies of fresh water, local residents could only rely on rain as their source for drinking water. During the Spanish colonial period, military engineers built 5 large cisterns beneath the main plaza, capable of storing approximately 716,000 gallons of water. Rainwater collected from the roofs and floors was channeled by a system of small gutters into the cisterns. Today, Puerto Rico's population is almost 4 million people, and instead of 5 cisterns in the main plaza, Puerto Ricans rely on the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority to provide clean drinking water and wastewater treatment to all 5 regions of the island. With over 1,500 sites to monitor and control throughout the island and the deployment of more than 120 platforms, the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority is putting into operation one of the largest system platform implementations in the world. By enabling the Water Authority to transition from a manual operation to a fully automated system, Wonderware has made it possible for them to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the operations. With a state-of-the-art security system, high-speed historical data collection, and centralized system management of 100% of the critical facilities.
The updates using Wonderware software have made this plant the role model for the metro region. First of all, because the Wonderware solution enables us to view real-time plant diagnostics. Second, it helps us improve and maintain the quality of the water produced in this facility, which is excellent. Lastly, it enables us to monitor the water treatment process and make timely changes that help prevent compliance violations.
Wonderware distributor IMIS understood the Water Authority's primary concerns and developed a Wonderware software solution specific to their needs.
The Water Authority has changed from a reactive system to a proactive system with Wonderware systems. We have been able to detect before things happen and prevent the calls from actually all our users. We are able to maintain our system up without having people calling us and telling us what is going on. We actually know what's going on now, rather than having the users tell us what's going on.
By providing software solutions for real-time success, Wonderware software enables the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority to access data from anywhere on the system in real time.
One of the virtues of the Wonderware software is that you have the information in front of you. The information is right at your fingertips. Therefore, once you see different alarms in the software, within the interface itself, you can make decisions much more rapidly and much more efficiently, and you do not have to go directly to the facilities to be able to get the information. But you can already see the information on the screen and make decisions as efficiently and rapidly as possible.
Wonderware software allows us to diagnose and be more effective in solving the problems we have present at the plant. If it tells us there is high turbidity, then we need to find out what is going on. And since we have the events in the software, then we can troubleshoot and move on to solve it rapidly.
Not only is the quality of the product improved, but Wonderware software has greatly increased efficiency throughout the process.
They help us make operational decisions much more rapidly and efficiently, thus maximizing the resources we have while maintaining continuous operations. Using Wonderware technology, we foresee that around year 7, we will be close to $15 million in terms of savings.
Due to Puerto Rico's diverse and remote terrain, the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority has implemented various technologies to communicate throughout the system, including frame relays, radios, DSL, and satellite.
We decided to use satellite because most of the places are very remote, and it's very hard to get either DSL, frame relay, or radios. So satellite has been the answer to those places where it's very hard to reach.
As a result of the efficient communication throughout the entire system, the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority is able to realize substantial benefits. All 5 regions of Puerto Rico have a consistent method of operating and maintaining its water and wastewater facilities. Standardization allows resources from one region to be allocated to another region. Once installed, subsequent implementations are faster to deploy. Automatic fault detection of remote PLCs, pumps, sensors, and instruments minimizes the need for manual inspection. Real-time monitoring and control prevents sewage overflows and water distribution faults. Now that the Water Authority is a proactive organization, customer satisfaction has improved and the consistency of water quality has increased.
Wonderware has definitely helped us to create the electronic tools that enable us to collect the necessary information for the monthly reports that we prepare for the EPA.
Wonderware software has allowed the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority facilities to increase capacity.
We've used the Wonderware software to analyze our processes and capacity, and based on this data, we've realized that we can, in fact, increase our output. From 12 million gallons when I started, we now produce from 20 to 30 million in 2008, and that is excellent.
By providing access to real-time information, Wonderware software enabled the Puerto Rico Water and Sewage Authority to develop a simple, elegant solution for the island of Puerto Rico. Fresh, clean water flows in a tropical paradise with a little help from Wonderware.